piece for piece movement. I'm going to be doing TAOH, which stands for the Awakening of Humanity. And there's a guy on Insta that has been sorting all of this out. I'll link some stuff for it in the video and in the description and all that fun stuff. Yeah, all the guys that are out today, there's a load of us, but not all of them are doing a piece for piece movement. They just obviously came out to paint because they weren't aware of it. Let them all know about it. So some of the guys are still going to add a tiny bit of it into theirs, and the other guys are going to be adding a whole piece to it. So look forward to seeing theirs at the end. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, piece for piece movement. It's banging. You should all. It's a big thing of me, man. I just want to make beautiful art, share it with the world, and if I can make some other people help them learn some art or do something to help someone else, then why not? I mean, we're all on the same planet. Like, let's rock this. But yeah, back to you. Thank you, Car Flip, for a lovely introduction. Now we are in House Flip. We're doing a piece for piece movement today. I'm doing the word, as Car Flip said, I'm doing the word TAOH, which is going to be an awesome piece. I'm going for the concept is very different. I'll show you. I'll flick a screen up of what my concept looked like, and it's nowhere near what it actually looks like in the finished piece. But start off with nice black background. I used masonry black paint. You know, got to protect the walls, protect our areas, and make it so that it lasts essentially. It's always good to keep the place nice, clean and tidy. Keep up the moral support. But my colours are like these blue and red sort of like colour with a black background. Going to try, as we see here, I'm starting to sketch up essentially. So we've got a nice T, nice H, and the AO sort of in the middle there. Going to be putting the TAOH symbol, the piece for piece movement symbol, up in the middle there, and that's going to look pretty swish. Ooh, and something just arrived. Something just arrived. Something just arrived. Something arrived. Something for spray paint. And it comes out. Oh, nice one, Graph City. Nice bit of protection in there for it all. So what we have here is more stickers. We have a NyQuil cap, if any of you are interested. But yeah, it's going to be featured in another video, so we'll put that there for safekeeping. On this NyQuil cap, I'm pretty sure it says you have to like that like button. Hit that like button. Give it a little boop. Yeah, so we sketched up. I'm going for a lightning type of thing in the background, so I'll be using the side action of the side can to really flare out a whole bunch of different shades of blue. I start from a dark blue. From the dark blue, I then bring it into the lightest sort of mid-tone shades of blue, and then a really bright blue. And then I use almost white, a blue that's almost white to go around the rest. And I think I may even use a white at one point to really get that pop, which we just saw, or we will see in a mo. And now I'm on to the fill of the TAOH. I'm doing some red in the T and the H, and I've done a lot of blending recently, so let's just do some sort of hard lines and sort of give it some shape and some depth, or try to, with different shades of red and stuff. A little bit of blending in some of it, and a bit of shading and blending. Never hurts anyone. Black outline with a nice 3D effects type of deal. My 3D type thing where it's not really a 3D, it's just extending some of the outline and what have you, but it's all good fun. Gotta love it. But then after that, we go on to the TAOH symbol, which is the TAOH, the Awakening of Humanity. I'm going to get on with the symbol now, which, if I remember correctly, the symbol was designed for people that could barely draw a stick man, but it's designed in such a way that it is like drawing a stick man. So it's something very simple, so everyone can get involved and what have you. I think it was really awesome to be able to involve everyone that always says, oh, I can only draw a stick man, but it's all good. You got this. But yeah, get involved if you haven't already. I'll put some links somewhere or in the bio. I don't know where, they'll be somewhere. It's on Instagram and different places. But yeah, check them out. You won't be disappointed. I did this in a red, in the reds type thing, but I tried to give it more of a shape and some depth and what hair and in places. Make it pop off the wall type thing. Little bits of key line. It's medium blue and a really light blue. Looks really cool, looks dope, love it. Hope you enjoyed this one. Subscribe, like, follow, comment, all that fun stuff. Catch you in the next one. Lates.